Hello everyone, welcome to Prema's Culinary. Today I am going to show you how to make paneer fried rice. This paneer fried rice recipe is very quick and easy recipe with basic ingredients. To make perfect fried rice, the key ingredients is rice only. It is very important that the rice for the fried rice must be cooked perfectly. Let me share few cooking tips to make perfect fried rice. If you have leftover fried rice, then it is perfect for making the fried rice. If you are going to cook the rice, then before cooking, rinse the rice completely to get rid of starch. It is better to cook the rice in open pot method than the pressure cooker and electric cooker method. Once you cook the rice, spread it in a plate and sprinkle few drops of oil. Just mix it with the fork and wrap and keep it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, the rice is good for making fried rice. So let's check how to make paneer fried rice. Heat a wok or pan with 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee. Now add in 1 tablespoon of minced ginger garlic and saute well. Next put in all the chopped vegetables and saute it in high flame for 2 minutes. Now add the paneer and saute for 2 minutes. Add 1.5 teaspoon salt. I'm not going to add any soya sauce. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now add the rice. Toss it in high flame for 2 minutes. Finally add some black pepper powder or crushed black pepper. Garnish it with some green spring onions. Now quick and easy delicious paneer fried rice is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will catch you all in my next video. Until then, bye from Premalata Aravindan. Bye.